this Oyibo wants from me. This upcoming appeal, eh? I don't know why she's asking me questions about Oga Madam, eh? She must be up to something, and I must find out, eh? Every time she'll be calling me on phone, I will investigate her matter. I must find out what she's doing. I talk her. Upcoming appeal.
Hello, Eze.
Hello, madam.
Yes. How are you?
Madam, I'm fine.
And how is work?
Madam, work is fine.
Okay. You know, I was wondering, is he at home?
Yes, no, he went out with his wife. Is there any problem, ma?
Oh, I see. Do you have any idea where they went to?
How am I supposed to know? Hospital. They went to the hospital, ma.
To the hospital? Okay. Thank you so much, Eze.
Okay, ma. Don't call me back. Don't call me. I will investigate this woman.
I've been here for a long time to see my daughter. Yet I have not seen her. What is happening?
And who the hell is your daughter? Who is your daughter? What are you doing in my living room?
Who are you?
I asked you that question first. You don't answer my question with question. Well, it is obvious to me that your, barren daughter did not give you the news flash, right? Well, let me update you. I, Clara, I am the only the only reasonable wife, the only woman that can carry a child in this family for Mr. Ben. So you see, you are in the wrong place.
This is my daughter's house. This is Charity's husband's house. And I am here to see her.
Listen to me, woman. I am not here to exchange words with an old, haggard, dirty human being like you. No, I will not stoop myself that low. Now get your tacky bomb and get out of this house right now.
I am not going anywhere until I see my daughter.
You say?
I'm not going anywhere.
Injuries, you know how special. Get out! Get out from this place, get out! Get out! Get out! Get out of this place! Oh my God, right to water! Get out! Get out! Mama! Damn it! What rubbish! Like mother, like daughter. Always thinking dirty, haggard people in the world.
Chinekeme, thank God it was a dream. But wait, what kind of dream is this? Another woman in my daughter's house. Chukwajo. Does it mean my daughter is in a kind of problem?
I'm ready to bite you. Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. Ready to bite. I'm gonna be a watchdog. A watchdog. I'm ready to bite you. Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog. A watchdog. Somebody's desperate. She's desperate. Oh, I'm ready. This is shameful. You say you are lady, but you behave like a kid. Why? Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog. A watchdog.
Brother, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, kill you there. Good afternoon, impregnant you. Good afternoon, destroy your destiny. Are you mad? Napwala, why are you greeting me? Are you mad?
Brother, why are you angry now? I just wanted to ask, how you are doing.
Have I not warned you and your wicked mother to avoid me anywhere you see me? Have I not? Have I not?
Please. I don't know why you're still angry with my family. Okay, forgive us. We know we offended you. Because wow.
Hey, yeah.
Forgive us.
You are sorry. Hey, yeah. Come on, get out of here before I lose my hold. Are you mad? After giving my woman to another man, you want me to forgive you? Forgiveness kill you there. Are you mad? She has not even seen anything yet. She will suffer in that marriage. She will never conceive in that marriage. She will suffer till she will die in that marriage. Bet me. Bet me. Useless family, wicked people. You are now sorry. After giving my wife away, you are sorry.
I'm still bothered about the dream I had. I have been trying to get my daughter on phone, but her number is not connecting. How can another woman occupy her matrimonial home? It is not good at all. It's not a good one.
What is it?
Is everything okay? What happened?
Mama, I met Ralph on my way back.
You met Ralph on your way back. Is that why your face is like this? As if someone died?
Mama, Ralph is very angry with us. He is still angry with us.
Ogonna, I'm not bothered about Ralph. If he likes, let him be angry. I don't care. I'm only worried about my daughter, your sister. I'm concerned about the dream I had of her last night. It troubles my soul.
Mama, I know you are not bothered about Ralph. But you need to ask yourself why sister has not conceived for her husband up till now.
I know the God I serve. My daughter must conceive at the right time. My God will not fail me. I trust and believe in Him.
Mama, when? When is the right time? No, when is the right time? Mama, I know why I'm saying this. I am saying this because of what Ralph said this afternoon about sister's childless position. That's why I'm saying this. And that is why I'm worried, Mama.
My daughter must conceive. I'm sure of that. But this dream I had last night, I don't understand it.
It's desperate. It's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog. A watchdog.
Clara, honestly, I advise you forget about this plan. It might not work for you.
Excuse me? No, what's the meaning of this? Steph, you know me. I, Clara, have never started something without finishing it. Why should I stop now? Listen, I am not backing out. Trust me, I'm not.
Have you considered what might be her wife's reaction?
Who gives a damn about the wife?
Oh, please.
What about your friend? What about me? You should be talking about me. I have to marry Ben. There is no two ways about it. The wife should deal with the pain. It's not my fault. She should blame the husband. All I need to do is to keep Ben to myself. I need to work on him. And then he does everything I want. And I'm good.
Oh, this is serious. No, honestly, this is so serious. Clara.
You know, I am beginning to be so uncomfortable discussing this issue with you. You know why? Because each time I talk with you, it's as if I'm feeling this mockery in your tone. I feel like, you know what, I am suspecting you. Why do you keep asking me all those questions?
What are you talking about?
What I am talking about is, you do not have the right to tell me to back out from Ben because he promised to marry me and he must marry me.
I can't mock you. For crying out loud, you're my friend. What are you even saying?
Are you not aware that I've already introduced to Ben to my auntie? So tell me, when she asks me of the same man that I introduced to her, what do I tell her? You see, I cannot face the shame. So he must marry me.
I know. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm with you. You're my friend.
That's what you say. But it doesn't sound the same way from your tone.
I'm sorry.
I've heard you. Fine. You're forgiving. Listen, I have been disappointed once, and I will not let that happen again.
I promise.
Whatever. You're so annoying. Just go, Charlie. So I'm seeing you when?
I don't know.
I don't want
when
to
you
miss
see me. Yeah, I love you.
Good.
Yeah.
Bye.
My darling, hope you're power go my calling them be changing. My calling if in my calling them be changing. My calling if in my calling them be changing. My calling if in my
Hello? What did you say that Ralph told you?
Mama, he threatened that Sister Charity will never know peace in her marriage. In fact, from his utterances, I think he has a hand in Sister's condition.
Ralph?
Yes. Yes, Mama. Because for him not to have forgotten what happened 3 years ago, Mama, something is not right. It doesn't mean well.
See, I will not spare Ralph if I found out that he has a hand in my daughter's childlessness. I'll settle it with him.
Oh, Mama, I blame you. Mama, I blame you for everything that is happening. I blame you for everything Sister Charity is going through. You shouldn't have pushed Sister Charity into marrying Ben because of his money, when you know Ralph had already made his intention known to her.
Wait. Are you now blaming me? You, Ogonna, have you not been benefiting from Ben's wealth? Have you not? Eh?
Mama, that is not what...
Will you shut up? I said shut up your mouth! How can you prove to be wiser than your own mother, me, your mother? Whether you like it or not, Ralph would not have made a better husband to my daughter. Forget what he's saying. And let this be the first and last time you mention that stupid man in this house again. Nonsense.
Somebody's desperate. Is desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog. A watchdog. Somebody's desperate. She's desperate.
Mama, good afternoon.
Hello, Charity. How are you?
Mama, it has happened again.
What happened?
The test results from the hospital. I just got the test results from the hospital.
You mean you went to hospital again with your husband for another test?
Mama, as usual, the test
test result confirms that there is nothing wrong with neither I nor Benjamin. There is no cause for alarm. The only thing you and your husband need to do now is to trust in God and exercise patience, okay? That is not the situation as I speak to you. So what are you saying? Ben is having an affair. He's having an affair, Mama. He's having an affair. Chances are he might make her his second wife. God forbid. What is wrong with your husband? What is the matter with him? He wants a child, Mama. That's what is wrong with him. He wants a child. His mother wants a grandchild. Mama, please. I need you to come. Come and join me, talk to my husband. He's not the man I used to know. Ben has changed. I have heard what you said. Just calm down. Calm down. I will call you back before the day runs out, okay? Everything will be fine. Call me. Call me. Ben is no longer the man I married. You need to call me. You need to come. It's okay. Just take care of yourself. You know, go.
Mama, what happened? Who was that?
It's your sister Charity. Ben threatened to bring in a second wife.
What?
Doctor, I'm so sorry. I have a tight schedule. I'd like for you to go straight to the point.
Never mind, I won't waste your time.
Thank you very much. I'm all ears.
Barrister Ben. You see, I invited you here because what I'm about to tell you now, I didn't want to say it before your wife. Of course, I know if I do, it will jeopardize your home.
I do not understand, sir.
You're responsible for your wife's predicament.
How do you mean?
From the test conducted, I discovered you've got a low sperm count. And if that is not treated urgently, you'll find it difficult to impregnate your wife.
With due respect, doctor, you see, I'm a lawyer. And that means I am educated enough to know about my sexual health. However, I feel very embarrassed right now. And I'll politely take my leave. Have a great day.
Barrister Ben.
This is shameful. You say you are lady.
Why is he angry?
But you behave like a kid. Why? Somebody's
It's alright.
desperate.
Sure, you still come back.
He's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog. A watchdog. I'm ready to bite you. Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. Ready to bite. I'm gonna be a watchdog. A watchdog. I'm ready to bite you. Somebody's desperate.
Yeah, hello ma, good afternoon ma. Ma, I have an information that might interest you. Right now I'm at Johnson Street. No, it's okay. I'll come meet you there, wherever you are. Ma, I mean no harm. Okay, ma. I'll call you once I get to that place. Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Where is the love? I've searched for it. I can't see it anymore. I can't find it. Why this sudden change, my love? You are breaking my heart when I see you like this. Tell me what is the problem? I'm your wife, for better, for worse. Remember, it's for better, for worse.
Knock, knock, knock.
My in-law.
Gozie.
Good morning.
Morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Is your mother in?
Yes, what you do? Mama! Mama!
Okay. Oh.
My in-law. No. But I'm not ready.
There is no problem. I wouldn't waste time.
Okay, all the ones say something.
I'm in a hurry.
No. You don't
there is no problem. I just came to see you because of what my daughter called and told me this afternoon.
What did your daughter say?
She said that Ben is threatening to bring in a second wife. Check it, is it good?
And what is wrong with that? Uju?
Did I hear you say, what is wrong with that?
Yes. That is what I said. That is what I said. Uju, the manipulative woman. You are not a good woman at all. In fact, you are not a good mother. Uju, you know that your daughter is a man. Your daughter is a man. In a table on a marrow. Your daughter is barren. She can never bear children. When I say, hey.
Oh, Maria, is you. So you are the brain behind it. Hey, are you God? Maria, 3 years is not enough for you to conclude that my daughter is barren.
Uju,
I have trust in God and I know that my God will do it one day.
Hey!
My daughter must conceive.
Uju, you're not a good woman. So if Ben is your son, you will not say anything. You allow Ben to stay with her children. Your daughter is a man. There's no way a man can live with a fellow man. And then abomination kobo. Nukutalo. Ubutopalo kobo. If you have 3 years. 3 years is like 300 years old. 300 years in my eyes. Oh, you're 3 years. You're not doing anything about it. So, it is when my son dies that your daughter will get pregnant.
Hey,
Maria.
You are not God.
You are not God.
Uchu, my daughter must conceive.
I'm disappointed at you.
And you must testify one day.
I'm disappointed at you. For you to come to my house to vomit this kind of nonsense.
It's okay, please.
For you to come to my house to be saying this rubbish.
It's okay. My in-law,
because that is not your son.
Just go. I will talk to my mother. Please.
Because that is not your son.
Go. Sorry. I will talk to
God.
Mama.
God.
Mama.
Papa. Okay.
Are you God? Mama, are you God?
Are you God? Are you God? Let her God start the fight now. Yes. Let her God begin to work now. Osima, are you God? Okay, just stop in now. So, are you done washing? Now continue washing.
Mama, just Zukwanike, what is wrong with you? Hey, Mama.
If I come for what I look, see that baby na baby biako. If I come for biako yelieba. Ben is not her son. That is it. What is wrong
with my mother? Mama. Okay, it's fine.
What
is holding Ben's wife. I've been here close to 20 minutes now, and she's not yet here. I don't even want to stand here now. Someone will come and see me. Don't even call her. Look at the rain, it's coming. Ah.
I take nutritious food and alkaline fruits every day. No one can convince me I have a low sperm count.
I've searched for it. I can't see it anymore. Why this sudden change, my love?
Where you coming from?
I went to see my friend.
When I see you like this, tell me what.
She looks sad. Where's she really coming from?
Remember, it's for better for us.
Nonsense. I will not take it. You will see the head of this father. Imagine Maria. Eh? Who is she? Who does she think she is?
Hey, Mama. You mean you went to their house?
Yes. I have to go. Maria insulted me today. I now know that she is the one deceiving Ben. Yes.
Mama, you should have gone there in the first place. You shouldn't have.
You are not blaming me. My daughter made a complaint to me, and you expect me to keep silent over it. Mpano. I'm a mayor. I have to confront them.
Sorry, yo. Mama, sorry that I'm even telling you not to go there. Sorry, you will not hear a word from this my mouth. Just do as you want.
Will you shut up? Shut up! Nonsense! What is all this? Look at this stupid girl. Eh? Instead of her to support her mother, she is here talking nonsense. Don't just make me angry. Don't make me angry. Maria. Eh? Just to think of it, Maria insulted me. There is no problem. Come on again. We'll see how it will end. No problem.
You know you're the sweetest thing ever.
And you're sweet as well, I'm sure you know that.
Like you're the finest woman I have ever seen. Yeah.
Please, thank you. Now you tell me, what about what we discussed the last time you came here?
So I have made arrangements. I'll serve her the divorce papers once you get pregnant for me.
Wow. Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Wait, are you expecting anyone?
No, but let me find out who is there. I'll be back.
Okay.
I'm
waiting now.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm coming.
Why this sudden change, my love? You are breaking my heart when I see you like this. Tell me what is the problem? I'm your wife, for better, for worse.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What can I do for you?
Are you Clara?
Yes, I am Clara.
Good.
I am Mrs. Charity Ben Njoku, wife to Barrister Benjamin Njoku.
So, what can I do for you?
I have come to plead with you to leave my husband alone. I've seen you. You are young and beautiful. Pray to God to give you your own man. That way, you can stop sleeping with someone else's husband.
Excuse me? I beg your pardon? You know what? You left your house, came all the way to my compound to insult me. I am going to ignore this because it is obvious to me that you're being affected with the cloud. With the cloud we live in. You are affected with cocaine dust you are sitting there. Now I will not stand here and watch you insult me further. Get out of my house. Get out of my house.
Consider this a warning. Leave my husband alone. I will not warn you next time.
Get out.
You are breaking my heart when I see you like this. Tell me what is the problem? I'm your wife, for better, for worse.
She said she wasn't expecting anyone, so what's keeping her? What happened? Who was that?
Your wife.
What? Who told her I am here?
I don't know. That is something that I cannot fathom at this point. She came to warn me in my own house to stay away from you. What impetus. She has so much guts.
Wait. How? Do you know each other?
We don't. Asking me stupid questions.
So, how did she know you?
I don't know. Maybe someone has been giving us some information.
Wait. Charity, have you been following me? No, I'm not going to take that. Has she been following me?
I don't know. That is something I cannot fathom for now. You should be the one to answer that question.
No, I'm not going to take that. Charity, have you?
You know what? I don't care whatever you want to say right now. Just rise up, go back to your house and chain your dog.
Wait, Clara. Are you sure she told you that?
I don't understand that what kind of question is that? I mean, how many rounds have we done that I cannot hear anymore?
I've searched for it. I can't see it anymore. Why this sudden change, my love? You are breaking my heart when I see you like this. Tell me what is the problem? I'm your wife, for better, for worse. Remember.
Hi.
Hi.
Everything okay? Are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine.
Oh, okay. I'll just go upstairs and clean up.
You are breaking my heart when I see you like this. Tell me what is the problem? I'm your wife, for better, for worse. Remember, it's for better, for worse.
Charity, are you sure you're fine?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Why is he staring at me as if he's suspecting something? I do not intend to tell him about my visit to his mistress. Or has she called and informed him?
I wonder the kind of life you used to live. No more attention, no more care. You change, you go well. This is not the love you promised me.
Mama, are you going out?
Yes, I want to go and collect something from someone.
Okay, I just spoke with Sister Charity now. She wanted to find out why you haven't visited as both of you planned.
And what did you tell her?
I told her I don't know.
How could you tell her you don't know? Eh? Did I not tell you about my visit to Maria's place? Did I not?
Mama, what stops you from calling Sister to tell her the outcome of your visit to her mother-in-law?
I don't blame you.
Mama, call Sister. She's worried. She wants to know why you're not visited. I'll pass the message. Bye-bye.
You know, I am still in shock. I don't get it. How did that jobless woman get to know about me, not to talk about my house? How come? Even Ben is surprised.
I don't know. Maybe someone must have been giving her information.
Someone must have been giving her information? And who could that be? Or maybe she was trailing Ben to my house.
Oh, yeah. Anything is possible, you know?
Anyways, I don't even give a damn, I don't care.
So tell me, what did Ben say about the wife's visit?
He's not even bothered.
What?
Yeah, he's not. I mean, why would you leave your matrimonial house to come to your husband's side chick's house? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? You know what? It is called handling your man. I mean, being in charge. Taking over, girl. You know why? Because all I have to do right now is to work on Ben. By the time I execute my final plan, he will be serving her some divorce papers.
Please. You keep on saying about this, your plan, but you don't want to share with your best friend. I am your best friend. Have you
Come off it. I never said I'm not going to share with you. I just said for now I'm not going to share with you. They're two different things, eh?
Why? I'm your best friend.
Yes, but there are limits to best friendships, you know. I'll tell you later.
Please, I'm going.
Oh, come off it. What is this? Come on. You're going because of what? Because I don't want to tell you.
Of course, best friends share things together. Why can't you tell me yours?
Steph, I will tell you when the time is right. With all due respect, ma'am, can we change the topic?
You don't trust me anymore.
Said by who? Now you go again. You always nag like a woman who is on heat. Just drink up, please. I'm not doing this with you.
It's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog. A watchdog. Somebody's desperate. She's desperate.
What does she take me for? A fool or something? No. She can't hide her plans for me forever. I must find out one way or the other. Charity is calling me again.
I will call her back.
Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog. A watchdog. Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog. A watchdog.
Good afternoon, sir.
I'm here to see your mother. Is she in?
Yes. Let me call her.
Call her.
Mama! Mama!
Good afternoon.
Why are you here?
I've come to tell you to send west to your daughter Charity. She's wasting her time in that marriage. I am her husband. Until she comes back to me, she will have no peace.
May thunder strike you there.
Mama!
Shut up! May that tongue you used to say that be glued to your palate and all here. It is you that will never have peace. And whatever you have done to my daughter will revert back to you 1,000,000 folds. For God.
Woman, nobody try Yancy's my calibrity and remain the same. I can only enter the bush when I want to shit, not when I want to mess. I mess everywhere. Yes, just deliver my message to you.
Will you shut up and get out of here? You are only wasting your time. If you think my daughter will quit her marriage and come back to you, it means you are a fool.
Woman, when the time comes, we will know who is the fool.
Get out of my house! I say get out!
Look at him. Somebody that cannot even take care of himself.
Not to talk of my daughter. Go and look for work and work! I'm not here. Just look at him. Where is this girl? Oga! Aganda!
Oh, this is shameful. You say you are lady, but you behave like a kid. Why? Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog. A watchdog. I'm ready to bite you. Somebody's desperate.
I'm sorry I kept you waiting.
Oh, it's okay, ma, but I have to be going home before your husband comes back.
Thank you, ma. 50,000 naira for your transport.
Thank you, ma. Ma, let me be going.
I need you to get your friend to talk. It's important to me. When she talks, update me.
Okay, ma. I'll do just that.
You can go.
Okay.
Who's my husband? My husband is back.
Oh, he's going to get my fridge. What are we going to do? He said he will come back.
Hi.
Hi. Are you okay? Why are you staring at me like that?
You're back early.
Oh yeah, I forgot something. Besides, I'm very hungry. Can I get something to eat?
You didn't tell me you're coming back so early. If you did, I would have prepared something for you.
You see, that's all I get in this house. That's all I get in my house. No breakfast, no lunch, no dinner. All you do is sit in this house and think about your inability to give me a child. It's a shame, Charity. It's a big shame. I can't eat in my own house. It's a shame. Do I remind you that I paid your bride price? Your duty in this house is to give me food and give me children.
Bingo. Why are you two drunk this morning? I don't know why they gave you a camp. Play. That's your way. Hey, this one, Oga came back this early, this afternoon. What is going on? It's today public holidays and I'm not aware. Bingo. It's all like Oga. I want you to sit down. And I know you go. See, sit down. Okay. Calm down. Hold me. As what? Wabingo, calm down. Let us handle this thing diplomatically.
Please open the gate for me. I don't want your boss to come out and see me there.
Who are you to command me to come and open the gate for you? A degree holder like me. Is it because you see me as a gate man? Eze, the official security officer of Esquire Ben.
Okay, stop talking, please. I beg you in the name of God. Just open the gate, let me go.
The way I'm looking at your face, I'm suspecting you. Are you sure you didn't steal anything from this house? Bring down your bag for certain. I open the gate, Go. Wabingo, calm down. If you hand win, you target the leg. Oya, go. 1, 2, 3. Before I count 3, 1, 2, target the leg. Wabingo, come. See, you need to be very, very smart, very, very vigilant. The way these guests are coming into this house, look at this one now. Very soon, madam will come and say one spoon is missing. Eze, did you see our toothpick? This girl, no problem. One bingo.
This is shameful. You say you are living, but you behave like a kid. Why? Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog. I'm ready.
Who am I seeing? Ralph. Who am I seeing? Benito. Ralph. Benito, I can't believe my eyes. Who am I seeing?
What's up, bro?
Brother, you're not looking bad. Benito.
You look good yourself.
You're not looking bad, man.
What are you doing here?
I came to see someone. Ruff. Benito.
It's been a long time, bro.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
It's good to see you again, no.
What are you doing? Let's catch up.
I should come inside.
Come in.
You say you are living, but you behave like a kid. Why? Somebody's desperate. He's desperate. I'm gonna be a watchdog.
Felicia, you insist I should not let my husband know that I am aware he's cheating on me.
Do not confront him. You don't know what the devil has planned. This is a spiritual battle. You know that.
You're saying I should continue to fold my hands while my husband continues to have an affair.
Like I said before, prayer is the only solution to this. So you don't need to start having confrontations with your husband. Considering your condition, anything can happen. Just believe in God. He will not disappoint you.
Thank you.
It's okay. I'll keep on remembering you in my prayers.
Thank you.
Just take good care of yourself, okay? I'll see you. Bye.
Where is the love? I've searched for it. I can't see it anymore. Why this sudden change, my love? The change you go on. You are breaking my heart when I see you like this. Tell me what is the problem? I'm your wife, for better, for worse. Remember, it's for better, for worse.
Hey,
What is it?
you can talk without touching me. Must you touch me?
What is it?
Get your hands off me, please. I thought you said you were in a hurry. So why don't you run back to your wife as usual?
Babe, listen, let's talk about it.
Don't baby me. I am not a kid. I am a full adult. Listen, it's been 4 months you promised to buy me a car. Yet I've not seen any car. All you do is walk into this gate, climb me, pound me in and out, and then run back to your wife. That's what you want to do right now, right? You said you wanted to go. Then go.
Listen, we can talk about it. I'm going to buy you the car.
When?
I promise to buy. Listen, I'll buy you the car. Okay, just relax.
Get your hands off me. Till you buy me the car, don't come to my house again. I don't want to see you again.
This is shameful. You say you are lady, but you behave like a kid. Why? Somebody's desperate. He's desperate.
Customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
Still switched off. Oh, I don't like this. Who do I call this? I hope you're okay, Ben. I hope you're fine. It's way past midnight.
Customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later.
Breaking my heart when I see you like this. Tell me what is the problem? I'm your wife, for better, for worse. Remember, it's for better, for worse.
Good morning.
Good morning. Where did you sleep last night?
Oh, I had an emergency call from the village, so I had to rush to the village after work. I was going to come back last night, but my mother said I should pass the night, that it was late already, so I did.
I was calling you, and your phone was switched off.
I didn't switch my phone off. I had a low battery, so I didn't go with my charger. So my phone died. Yes. How are you? You okay? I'll just quickly freshen up.
She's lying. Benjamin is lying to me. And I swear on God I will find out what he's up to.
You are breaking my heart when I see you like this.
Don't know why they ask you this thing. Since when you come here, na so cry they cry. Why you they cry? I mean na your mama die, I mean na your papa die. Anyway, if say na them die, no problem. Na celebration of life. At least I go follow na Drake coffee. Friday, sorry.
The grace. My papa don't die. My papa don't die. No, my God.
What you kill him? Now see that he gets a bit like kidney failure. Hey, that man, oh, a nice man. Why you go die?
I don't think so, my God don't die, yo. Don't you wait till I tell you. My God don't sack me.
Little. Now ordinary sack they sack you, come there they cry.
Now you talk me that, Abi? Okay. Make your madam, Abi, your God, thank you. Make I don't say, make I know whether you don't go cry.
You want make my madam sack me? It's short. My madam no go sack me, they mad. Now ordinary sack you dey cry. My leave my they go my house. You dey mad though. My leave you they go. Ordinary sack you dey here they cry. I think so you get better thoughts.
Wait, I won't follow you. Make I know whether your madam go employ me.
Come back here. You won't know whether my madam go employ you.
See, let me tell you. Be careful with me, oh. Be careful with me. I will give you uppercut.
Friday.
Yes.
I tell you say we get 2 gates for our compound. I mean my madam tell you saying they look for gate man.
Come. If you do not leave my way now, I'm going to give you Carafort.
Friday, somebody will die now. You want them to sack me again? Somebody will die. Are you mad?
Hey!
Don't cross my street.
Don't care.
Friday, the man.
Hey!
I go kill you here.
Hey! Hey! I am going to give you. Wait
for me.
Try me.
Friday. Go back to the village. You don't belong. You don't belong to the city. Go back to the village. The train. My God, look our day. I go to the train.
Ijoma, I am seriously disturbed about my sister's issue. My sister's marriage is about to collapse. It's about to end.
I thought you said your mother has gone to the city to see her sister's husband.
Name, I was the one that persuaded her to go. She refused to go because of her experience at our in-laws' place.
It is good that she has gone to the city. She really needs to talk to your sister's husband.
My sister, I pray. My only prayer is that this her visit will yield positive result. Let something good come out of it.
It will surely do.
Amen. No. Amen. Ijoma, do you know that Raf came to our house 5 days ago?
You mean the guy that wanted to marry your sister before Ben came?
Bam! And he is threatening to deal with my sister. He said he's going to deal with my sister in this life.
Your sister should go and settle with him, oh.
Ochokwano settlement. Does he want settlement? The man said the only settlement he wants in this life is that my sister will quit her marriage and come and marry him. That's the only settlement he wants.
Are you serious?
I am serious, very serious.
Now, wow. Are you sure that man is not responsible for your sister's childless condition?
Hey, I share in the same view with you. Ijoma, I share in the same view with you. You're not wrong at all.
Your sister should be very strong in prayer, so you too, you have to be praying for her.
Ijoma, I have been praying. I will continue to pray. What else can I do?
Pray more.
Ikeguru, I'm tired. But I'll continue to pray. What else can I do if not pray?
Pray more.
No problem.
Let me go. I'll come to your house in the evening.
Hey, okay. Bye-bye, all. I'll continue to pray. What else can I do if not pray for my sister? Let me be praying and be going now.
My daughter is not barren. I know that she will give you children.
That'll be when I die, right?
God forbid. Nothing will happen to you. You will be alive and witness the goodness of the Lord in your life.
Mama, listen to me and listen good. I want to witness the goodness of the Lord in my life now, not later, not when I die.
Darling.
Do not speak to me. Do not darling me, Charity. So this is it, huh?